Hey, hey, what? Ray Mac, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on.
Some of y'all might remember this recipe from my barbecue sauce. So I got some mustard in the pot. I call this Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. Then I got me some George's regular barbecue sauce. I dumped the whole bottle in that. Then I got me some one whole onion sliced up. And I just mix everything, let it heat up. Once it's ready to heat up, I can go ahead, man, and just bake these on the ribs. See, I never tried this on my ribs, so I'm using this Carolina Gold for the rib, for that rack of rib that I had in the foil. And I'm not going to put any sauce on that other rib. Put the cover on that and let it roll. Alright, y'all, I'm about to put some of this Carolina Gold on this here rib. As you can see, I tried tasting that piece. God knows. This is the one that was in the aluminum foil, and I put it on for an hour. Came out pretty daggone good. So I'm going to put some of this here sauce on it, put it back on the rack, and just let this sauce pretty much set. And I'm going to take it on off. So I'm going to give this a flip. Alright, ribs are looking fantastic. I put those pieces that I cut off of the rib in the fridge. I'm going to fix those later on down the road. And y'all know what, man, I can't take it no longer. I got to try that piece right there. I got to. It's only right. Alright, but I'm going to put these back on the grill right now.